Are you already recording?
Yeah.
Guys, what's up with another video? Today we're
Hello.
going to be playing some Girl Tag with Wolfie Tail. Oh my god, my arm.
Yeah, and
Okay, so we're
so,
gonna check the volcano update.
and guys,
So
no
first we're going to the
promises
map.
for a video on my side because my screen recording isn't acting right since I play Gorilla Tag
Yeah, so
on my
I'm gonna put her
computer.
YouTube channel in the description, but if you don't see her make it, I promise you, she's actually gonna be in my description. If you guys see her in my description, then she's actually a YouTuber. And trust me, if you guys know Wolfie Tail, she's actually friends with me.
Yeah, and I have
promise.
like
So how we
72.
met? Do you wanna tell them how we met?
So he was making a video, right? And so at the
Yeah, when I
end,
first had my old YouTube channel
yes.
with low subscribers.
And so I was like, hey, I'm a YouTuber as well. I make videos. And so we saw each
Well,
other's
this is
YouTube.
how I met you first. I met you
Yes.
first. So like, I went to city. So like, oh my, so I glow. I take a glow up, guys. Yeah, I'm not the gold master. Cause my friend told me I look too rich. So like, I would just pretend I'm in city. I am in city. I was just walking. I asked, who wants to be in my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Who wants to be in my YouTube channel?
I'm
And
like,
then she said me. And then
me.
And then other people. So then
And
we
other
just
people
went
said that.
to go check a new code, and then we made the J-Man Curly video. I don't think the J-Man Curly video is on my channel anymore for some reason, cause I don't know. I think it just got deleted for some reason, cause I kept looking for it and it wasn't there. So yeah, but that's how we met. And then after that video I made, we became friends, and then I subscribed to her and she subscribed. That's how we became
Yes.
friends. And I got 62 and she got 72. I don't want to be here in subscribers, but yeah, it's not me.
I honestly don't care if you beat me in subscribers. That honestly
Yeah,
makes
they're
me
just
happy if you
subscribers.
do.
I just care if people are nice to me. It doesn't really matter subscribe. Okay, so let's check out the map first.
Alright. I think I've seen it, but I might have been
So
tripping.
please,
I've seen it, but I might have been
haters
tripping.
now.
I don't know.
I have haters.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Cause I had a YouTube. I made a YouTube video. I'll
Yeah.
see you at the movies, and this person commented bad. So I think I have a hater.
I'm sorry.
I get so much comments on my videos.
Okay, so I'm not.
Wolfie Tail.
So I was tripping.
At least you're not a hater, cause we met
Yeah.
we met like in August, right?
Yeah, we met in August. And I think your friend was the one that gathered. That was the one. You and your friend was the one that gathered everybody.
Oh shucks, it's going. Wait, one more maybe. One more.
One more.
I think so.
Okay. Yes. Hold on.
No, let's do it together. Let's do it together.
Ready? Oh.
Come on, Wolfie Tail.
Oh no. Oh no.
Do I look cool? Do I look cool?
Yes.
Do I look cool? Oh my god, look at you, Wolfie Tail. You look so cool. Look at her.
You look so cool. Like I have like RTX mods on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm surprised none of us are tagged yet.
I don't think if you're in a casual lobby, I don't think you get tagged by
My
the.
sister's starting a crocheting business, but
Nice,
she's gonna have a
nice.
company.
Nice.
Well, she's not gonna have a company. She's gonna like sell stuff on her school.
It's still nice.
The tree stop? Let's go to the tree.
If I died to the lava, play the Cocomelon song at my funeral.
No!
I made it. Made it. So if I ever die to this lava, do you know what I want you to do? Play the Cocomelon
What?
theme song
What?
at my funeral.
Cocomelon? No, man, I ain't singing that song.
No, I want you to play it.
Who sings Cocomelon?
Cocomelon. Yeah, I love that you got so concerned and worried. That's a true friend right there.
Let's go to mirror. I want to see how we look.
Look at Stomp. Look at Stomp. It looks so weird.
I love this update, man.
It reminds me of when it's sunset in the in my apartment.
This is
Whoa!
I'm adding
This.
I'm gonna add this as our thumbnail, okay? I'm gonna add both of us as a thumbnail.
This looks insane.
I know.
I'm definitely
looks
adding
so
this as a
cool.
thumbnail.
Yes, bro. Same. Look at this. Looks so cool.
Oh my
So let's check out the
gosh.
cosmetics.
Oh yeah. I took
So
a
wherever you
look at the
are, I got that
cosmetics.
bad ready.
Oh. Oh yeah. There's so many cool things. I
So
like what they
guys,
did
he's
with
not gonna
this. I
record.
like what they did with this.
Take a video upstairs and. Okay.
Oh,
No,
wow.
you. Okay. So sorry if my sister's talking in the back.
Nah,
That's a
you
lie.
good.
I want to buy this.
Where is that? Because I saw somebody have it in one of the lobbies I was in. One of the, I
I
didn't
want to see
see
how
it
much
now.
it is.
Oh, I see it.
It's like
That's expensive.
4,500.
That's
I know.
expensive.
Maybe. Do you want me to save up? No, that's a lie. I also want to save up for the Wear VR cosmetic. Wait, that's a lie. I want to see. I want to see how I look like with the Wear VR cosmetic. So.
Because you already have one. You already have one VR cosmetic. And it's the
I don't.
badge.
Oh yeah, it's Oh
Hey,
my
look.
God, do you
Hey,
think I
look.
look
Do
cool?
this. Do this. Do this.
How do I look? I can't open my mouth.
Do this. Do this.
I look weird.
Now do this. Cooking some monkey.
Hey!
We're cooking some
Wait,
monkey
where's that?
tonight.
Fight, let's fight. Torch war.
Yes.
Juke! Juke to be like.
Come here, great one. I will show
Okay,
you
so
the
do you want to
way.
know how to wall run in lava? Do you want to know how to wall run?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
So majestic. I could literally play
I
with this
watched
for
on YouTube
hours.
how to run on lava, but like it's too hard.
I saw
it's
J-Man
fun.
Curly. So I re-watched his live when he
Did
wasn't
you see
live.
J-Man Curly's live?
Yeah, I saw it. But then after that, after I saw that he was live, I hopped on Gorilla Tag. So then when I was done, he wasn't live, so I just re-watched it when he wasn't.
No!
And I saw that he did that weird lava run.
Open till I'm it!
No!
Casual!
Yeah, did you forget?
Yes.
Maybe if we add more charcoal, it'll be gone. Oh.
Lava's gone! Let's add more.
Hey,
I like when it's lava because then the shows are like so better. Dude,
Good.
do you want me to add my thumbnail as you and me and Mir like that we did last time?
yeah. I'm running.
They didn't even start yet. You can,
Add more, add more.
I think I do 2 more. Okay, well 2 more then, Rufito. Tell me what
Yeah.
you want so I can get. Go over there. Go to go to double walls and go up there. Oh wait, I'm coming there. I'll come. Okay, 1 more. I mean, I don't know how much, but
I think like 4
I
more
didn't
will
go
do.
no, I didn't go in. Obviously. Oh, how did I go in again?
I'm waiting for
I think I'm
you.
missing these shots.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, now a little bit more.
I just see you running back and forth.
I know.
I'm gonna go down and help you.
Okay, a little bit more now. You don't have to help me. You can go.
Nah, it's good, it's
Now I
good.
just want to see if I can go over there. No, Whoopito. I just want to see if I can get up. So I just want to see if I get tagged by lava.
Cause I think it's,
back up there.
cause it's on
It's
casual.
okay, Whoopito. I won't die from the lava.
You're the invincible monkey. Doo, 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 doo.
You know I can run fast.
Crap, 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 crap.
It's coming.
What have you done?
Whoopito, you can do it.
I did it. When the lava rises, I'm gonna drop one of these.
Oh, it's coming!
Run, 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 run!
Okay, it's coming. Wolfie, where are you?
I'm right here.
I'm
I'm up here.
I'm behind you.
I'm up here.
It's filled up again. Wait, I think if one of us go in there, then the lava stops.
Goodbye, my good friend. Goodbye!
No!
Ow!
Hey, look, I'm gonna try walking on water. Well, if I had longer, then it would have been easier for me. Wait, let's go underwater. Let's grab a rock. Come on, let's go underwater and grab a rock. I mean, on lava. Do you like this effect?
Yeah, it's really cool.
But why do they have water noises? When I went to
the weekend retreat to my Christian camp, it was lots of fun.
Let's get out of before.
Before we go, I must drop this into the lava.
Wait, I can't even see. Oh, there you are. Found you.
It's harder to swim in lava than it is in water. That's a sentence nobody's ever said.
I guess we both died.
As a donation of my death. In a second, I might have to go get a scrunchie, because I'm getting hot and my hair is on my neck and it's hot.
Go back to me, come on.
You look so cool.
Come on, Wolfita.
I'm coming.
Bye guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.